Your Robux, bro. So,
Boys,
Miss Arroyo, you here?
she's always around, bro.
Yup, nagulat lang ako. But you know what that means?
Time for
New adventure!
Tama kayo dyan. And for this mission, you're heading to Spotify, a cafe in Queens Row Central, Bacoor. They serve coffee, milk tea, and snacks. Lahat, sulit sa budget.
Wait, did you just say snacks and coke float? I'm in!
Wait, ice cream? Tara na! Find out what makes Spotify so special, and as always, every bite has a story.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Adventures of Ian and Lawrence. Today we're exploring Spotify, a chill spot near Queensrow Elementary School in Bacoor.
Siyempre, they got coffee, milk tea, ice cream, coke float, and snacks. Lahat pang barkada.
Let's check it out!
Tara na!
Alright, I got their matcha latte, smooth and budget friendly.
Ako naman, I got cheesecake Okinawa. Tapos, may nachos pa. Solid combo.
They also have ice cream, and they also change flavors every week.
Sarap! Subukan natin tong ice cream.
Sige.
Mmm.
Ang sarap.
Mukhang masarap to. Creamy, oh. Tara, try natin. Grabe ang creamy niya.
Let's try the cheesy tuna. Sarap.
Sarap.
Very nutritious. Thank you for having us.
Welcome.
Quick question lang po What inspired Spotify sa concept?
Before pandemic is nagkaroon sila ng shop, ng soft ice cream sa may tapat ng school. But unfortunately is nag-close yun dahil sa pandemic. So yung original owner ng Spotify is naghahanap ng magti-take over ng shop nila. So yung boss po namin is tinake po nila yung opportunity para mabili po itong spot na to. So tinayo po nila ulit yung ice cream shop, and yung may-ari po is nagdagdag po sila ng mga drinks and milk tea and food para mas mapaganda yung concept ng Spotify namin.
What's your best seller so far?
Sa drinks po namin is yung Biscoff, and sa milk tea namin is yung Okinawa cheesecake, and sa meals sa mga food naman po namin is yung cheesy tuna and nachos and fries po.
Why did you choose this location for Spotify?
We chose this location because malapit lang siya and madali lang siya mapuntahan, especially sa mga students. Malapit lang dito yung school, and yung mga student mahilig sila sa milk tea, sa coffee, and sa mga foods po namin.
Any upcoming drinks or snack ideas?
So, magkakaroon kami ng bagong premium series milk tea and rice meals po. So, abangan niyo yan.
If you were to give a message for the students and families that go to your cafe, what would it be?
For the family and students po na nagbabalak po pumunta dito, ini-invite po namin kayo na dito po sa aming shop para matry nyo po yung drinks and milk tea and food po namin, na sure po ako na may enjoy nyo. And dito po sa Spotify, we happy to serve you guys. Thank you.
So, what did we learn today?
Kahit simple, basta masarap at abot kaya, pasok sa spot.
If you're near Bacoor, you should come to Spotify.
And now, it's your turn.
Comment below kung saan niyo gusto kami pumunta next. Subscribe and hit that bell.
Para lagi kayong updated sa aming adventure.
Bye-bye!